Oh my gosh. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Jackie Nicole here. If you clicked on this video, you're interested in knowing, okay, what a mompreneur does, on a day off. Well, today I'm feeling a little sluggish or whatever because it's raining outside. So I need a little boost. So I'm making me some coffee right now. And then I have I don't have a nail appointment, but I'm going to get my nails done and my feet, of course. And then I'm pretty much going to come back home and work on my plans and what am I trying to say? Let me fix my coffee and then I'll be back, okay?
You can't get enough and you don't know why.
Listen, I was never a coffee girly, but I've noticed that, okay, because it always made me go to the bathroom. But I think the more I drink it, the more I guess my stomach get used to it or whatever. And it's been really helping me with a boost if I need a boost. But okay, I got my coffee now and I can at least smell it. So where was I? I'm gonna go get my nails done and I'm gonna stop by Wally World to go take a return back and pick up some items, some makeup items I wanna get or whatever. So yeah. Oh my gosh. Let me get in the car. Oh, but before I get in the car, my coffee, I didn't have any sugar in it. I'm using agave and I put a little bit of creamer in there because y'all know, okay, I'm still on my fitness journey or whatnot. I'm just not working out today, but I'm still keeping up with my calories or whatnot. So yeah, because I cannot drink it black. I ain't gonna be able to do it. Okay, so I've had a sip of my coffee and now I got my life together. Okay, a little bit. But I got my bag or whatnot with my notebooks in there. I have a planner, but I also have notebooks for YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram to make sure I complete and plan my content for the next month we get ready to go into. So I plan on doing that while my feet are getting done. Well, starting on it anyway. Well, I already started it. I just gotta pretty much work on it because I know I'm not gonna finish it today. But yeah, that's what I have planned to do while I'm there. We're having breakfast for dinner today. We have breakfast for dinner on Thursdays. So I need to get some more sausage links or whatever. And a couple of makeup items. So that's why I'm actually going, other than, going to get my nails done. So yeah.
In the heat was together, hope it's worth a drive.
Here, I just pull up in this thing. Let me finish up my coffee. I don't even know what color I want. It's gonna be another one of those. Okay, just give me that. So yeah. Okay, I am done. This is the color for today. So I stopped in Publix because I really don't feel like going to Walmart. Should I just go to Walmart? No, I'm not going to Walmart. I don't feel like going to Walmart. I got most of the stuff that was on the list anyway. What the hell? Have you ever wrote something on a list and don't know what the hell? Oh, I know what that is. I can't be the only one. Well, I guess I'm just gonna head back home and work on my on planning my content. But I do need to go in the office and get some pictures posted to Amazon. I'll work on Jazette's another day, probably Tuesday, or after I get finished working out tomorrow. I just don't be feeling it on these damn cloudy days, like, and it's wet out here. And plus, I'm hungry. So yeah, I went and bought my nail tech orchard. Her birthday was yesterday, and I said, "What'd you do?" She said, "Nothing." Her husband didn't even take her out to eat or whatever. She kind of was passive about it. But anywho, I like everybody to feel special on their birthday, and clearly they skipped over hers. But I went and got her an orchard while I was in the store getting some Morningstar, and I just gave it to her. She smiled so hard and gave me a hug. The guy was like, "Oh, flowers for me?" I'm like, no, Kim. But yeah, I'm going home. I'll try this again another day. Y'all, I left the store, pulled out, got all the way home, and just realized something. I'm telling y'all I'm gonna come home and finish, planning my content or whatever, which, okay, but I'm not really doing anything that's what I'd rather be doing. But as far as me even thinking about going in the office, like, this is my off day. And I'm still trying to do something. I can't never just sit like still. I'm getting better. I'm getting better. So no, scratch that. I'm going in the house and I'm going to get something to eat and work on my planning my content or whatever, because I really don't have anything else to do other than, I really don't feel like making a video either. I already have one scheduled to post on Friday. This is supposed to be my off day. So yeah, I'm not gonna make a video. I'm gonna go and relax and pretty much get stuff prepped. I make sure I got everything, because my daughter's cooking today. So yeah, let me get this stuff out of here so I can show you what I got. I didn't intend on getting, but I got it. Okay, I'm not the only one. See, y'all, it's wet and gloomy outside today. Like, this is a lounge day for sure. Very much so. Okay, so I'm back in. I got my bags and whatnot. And what I got is, I don't think I taste these unless they just change the packaging. But I think I taste it. I don't know. But I got some Morningstar chicken nuggets for like chicken and waffles for breakfast or whatever. Some sausage links. Some sausage patty, the maple ones, and my chocolate that I'm gonna make some little treats with, that's healthier, with the dark chocolate. I got some grapes. I didn't taste them in the store, so we'll hope they're good. Oh, they probably eat all these by herself. And I got some Pinkaboos, some pineapple strawberries. That's pine berries. I've never tasted them before, but they were 3 for $10. I want to taste them, and I'm sure my son will want to taste them. And Bae loves pineapple, so she probably want to taste them too. So that's why I got 2. So regardless, I know my son will eat them, but I got these 2 right here, and of course the orchard for my nail tech. Again, for the nails. Okay, stop playing. Oh, I guess. But anywho, and that little bit of stuff was $54.25 plus tax $56.04. Yeah, chocolate was $6. Grapes was $12. What are we doing? Sheesh, should have pulled some out that bag. But anywho, I'm getting ready to put this stuff up and start working on my content. Yeah, because I really don't have anything else to do, and I just feel like lounging. Plus, it's my day off. I got my nails done. I'm happy. I didn't get to go and do my return or get my makeup, but I'm still happy. Today is not, I'm just going to relax. I'm going to look on Amazon and see what the prices is on Amazon. Sometimes it's cheaper at Walmart. Sometimes it's just better off getting it from Amazon because it's the same price. Plus, it'll come to my doorstep for some service I already paid for. So I'm going to weigh the odds. If it's same price, I'll just get it. I order it so it'll come to my doorstep. Bada boom. So yeah, we put this stuff. Thank you for watching this video, and if you feel like hanging around, watch this video that YouTube has picked just for you, and just live. That's the message. See you on the next one.
Rent paid, nails did, hair slayed, make 'em work for it.